Hello, viewers around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, your best selling author of two books The Modern Mughal Mentality New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And second book is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. These two books were bestsellers on Amazon. So if you haven't bought these two books, please go and buy these two books. And this one, both the books are now available on audiobooks, and they are available worldwide wherever books are sold. Having said that, friends, I also do author services. So go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and see what services I provide. I can be your beta reader, I can be your book reviewer, and in my radio and TV show of W4WN, I have more than 300 million listeners. So you can advertise there and you can be in conversation with me in a very nominal price. So the website to see is www.afshanhashmi.com and www.drafshanhashmi.com, as well as my radio website is https www.drafshanhashmisradio.com. Having said that, friends, today I am going to review Macy's favorite scents discovery kit for her 15 samples for our most loved perfumes plus atomizer. So this is the product I'm going to review, and this was for $25 at Macy's, and I think it will be a very good gift on Christmas or New Year, wherever, if you want to give that and see how beautiful it is. And it has an atomizer in the middle, and it has these kind of scents, so you can put it in your purse and it will be so good. So now I will read what samples it has. It has Bulgari Omnia Coral UD toilet. Then it has Calvin Klein CK every one UD toilet. Then it has Carolina Herrera Good Girl Supreme UD perfume. Cartier La Panther UD perfume. Giorgio Armani My Way UD perfume. Givenchy Live Irresistible Blossom Crush UD toilet. Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy UD perfume. Michael Kors Wonderful USD UD perfume. Lauren Beyond Romance UD perfume. Rebecca Minkoff Rebecca Minkoff UD perfume. Tom Ford Ombre Leather UD perfume. Valentino Vosa Viva UD perfume, and Versace Dylan Blue Pour Femin UD perfume. Victor plus Rolf Flower Bomb Dew UD perfume, and Vince to Illuminar UD perfume. Some of these and this was only for $25, and I really liked it, and I bought it with my own money. There is no sponsorship or anything. I just wanted to share, because at this time in the holidays people have difficulty to choose which scent to buy or what to give to your friends and near and dear ones. So this is so beautiful that I thought I will share this. Having said that, friends, today I also have this holiday sweater, as well as there is a tie to it here which is of Christmas theme, and this is both the sweater as well as this tie I got it from Amazon. So if you come to my website and if you go from there, I am an Amazon affiliate and I will get a commission. So I just wanted to show you, if you like this holiday theme sweater as well as this tie, then this is a very good deal. So please come to my website www.afshanhashmi.com, and from there, if you go and buy this sweater and tights, I will get commission. So I thought I will share that and see what other products of Amazon I have curated for my fans and for my listeners and viewers and readers, that what I like to wear and all. So I thought I will share it. And what a nice thing to get a commission if you go from my website. So I need that help there. And after having said that, friends, I also do review of cosmetic products as well as book reviews and your product reviews as well as your movies reviews. So go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and buy this product review or cosmetic review. And when I do your cosmetic review, I really go deep into the products and see what products are there and what FDA has to say about it, because I am a FDA regulatory specialist. So I know exactly how to go and do the search on FDA website. So I will give you a very honest review about your product. So hire me to do that. Having said that, please go and buy these two books and you will love to read that, because this one is The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace, has a is a business book. And if you apply my mantra, you will definitely have profits in your business, where I have conceptualized Jugaad, which is thinking outside the box. So go and see this book and buy this book, and you will love these two books. And this one, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, this is a cozy mystery, science fiction mystery, where a virus spreads and ruins the human population. And when this book came in 2019 February, there was no trace of coronavirus. So I have given in a very unique way what is bioterrorism and what it can do harm to the human population. Having said that, friends, now I want to sign off from this episode of my review, and I will soon share it in all my social media channels. So if you want to contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com. And cheers and bye bye.